Alright, so check this out. We've all seen smart home tech, but what if your entire kitchen was smart? Not just a fridge that tracks your milk, but a robot chef that cooks full meals from scratch. Meet the Moley Robotic Kitchen, a real working system that could change how we eat forever. Picture a modern kitchen, but with two advanced robotic arms hanging from the ceiling. These arms don't just grab, they mimic the movements of a master chef, chopping, stirring, and plating with incredible precision. You control everything from a touchscreen, pick a recipe, press play, and watch the magic happen. Moley claims it can deliver 5-star meals with zero effort from you. Here's the wild part. The robot learns by watching real chefs, using motion capture gloves to record every move. That data becomes an algorithm, so the robot can cook with the skill of a pro every single time. The kitchen is a complete ecosystem. Custom cabinetry, pro-grade utensils, and all appliances integrated. You just load the pre-portioned ingredients and the robot does the rest. It knows which pot to use, how high to set the heat, and when to add each ingredient. It's the ultimate hands-off cooking experience. Watching it in action feels like something out of science fiction. This isn't just a smart oven, it's a leap into the future of home cooking. The question is, how good can it really be? Let's find out. So, how does it actually work? The brain is a powerful computer with a big touchscreen, your command center for browsing recipes, filtering by cuisine, and seeing exactly what you'll need. Once you pick a dish, you place the pre-portioned ingredients in their spots. The robot's arms, developed by Shunk, have human-like dexterity, cracking eggs, folding ingredients, even slicing with chef-level precision. The real magic is in the software. It learns from chefs via motion capture, translating their techniques into code. Any chef can record a new dish and upload it to the Moley platform, expanding the recipe library endlessly. Safety is built in. The cooking area is enclosed by glass, and sensors pause the robot if anything's off. It's a closed, controlled environment, no risk to kids or pets. Once you hit start, the robot takes over, cooking safely and efficiently. It's automation at its most impressive. The result? Restaurant-quality food made by a robot right in your kitchen. That's the Moley difference. We've dreamed of robot chefs since the Jetsons and Star Trek. Moley is the closest we've come to making that sci-fi dream real. What sets it apart? It removes human labor from cooking entirely. You just set it up. The robot does the rest, democratizing culinary skill. No more years of practice to make gourmet dishes. Just pick, load, and go. Unlike appliances that do one thing, Moley handles complex, multi-step recipes with timing and technique. Watching it work, you almost forget it's a robot. It's like an invisible chef. This isn't just a new appliance, it's a paradigm shift. It challenges what home-cooked even means. The meal is fresh, made in your home, but the labor is outsourced to a robot. Today it's expensive and niche, but it points to a future where daily tasks are reimagined. More convenience, more creativity, and a lot more free time. The future of cooking is here. So what does it look like when the robot cooks? Let's walk through spaghetti carbonara. You pick the recipe, load the ingredients, and confirm on the touchscreen. The glass shield closes, and the show begins. One arm boils water, the other slices guanciale. The robot multitasks, sautéing, boiling, and prepping the sauce all at once. It cracks eggs, grates cheese, and whisks the sauce with perfect consistency. Pasta is cooked al dente, then combined with the sauce and guanciale, stirred off the heat for that creamy finish. The robot plates the dish, garnishes, and slides it out, ready to eat. A perfect carbonara made from scratch, no effort required. It's mesmerizing to watch. Who's this for? Right now it's for early adopters with deep pockets. But imagine the potential busy students could eat healthy, home-cooked meals without stress. Families could reclaim time together, enjoying fresh dinners without the hassle. For people with disabilities or the elderly, it offers independence and safety in the kitchen. No more struggling with hot pans or sharp knives, just great food, safely prepared. Busy professionals could have gourmet meals ready the moment they get home. It's not just about convenience, it's about accessibility, health, and quality of life. The Moley Kitchen could change how we eat, live, and spend time together. It's a life hack for anyone who values their time. Restaurant quality food at home on your schedule. That's the promise. The best part? Moley cleans up after itself. After cooking, the robot arms wash pots, pans, and utensils, wipe down counters, and restore everything to its place. No more dreaded cleanup. Your kitchen stays spotless. This closes the loop. True, effortless cooking from start to finish. What does this mean for the future? Today, Moley is big and pricey, but tech always gets smaller and cheaper. Imagine affordable robot arms in every kitchen, as common as a dishwasher. The open recipe library means endless new dishes, shared by chefs worldwide. It could preserve culinary traditions and make global cuisine accessible to all. The Moley Robotic Kitchen is more than a gadget. It's a glimpse of tomorrow's home. It's not science fiction anymore. So, is this the future or just a wild luxury? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech deep dives.